Hi students, I am G. Bhaskar, physics faculty, and I am discussing about light. Light is a form of energy. It gives us sensation of vision and it exhibits so many properties. Some are reflection, refraction, total internal reflection, double refraction, interference, polarization, diffraction. Among the properties we can discuss about refraction. It is most important property of light. What is meant by refraction? Generally, light travels in a straight line, but when it enters or when it is traveling from one medium to the another medium, it deviates its path at the interface of two media. Suppose it is medium 1 and it is medium 2, it is a interface. AB is interface of the two media. When light enters from medium 1 to medium 2, at this interface AB, the path of the light PQ deviates from its path. Generally, the light travels in straight line, but it deviates at the interface. Why? Because speed of light changes at the interface. Generally, in vacuum, the speed of light is, in vacuum or air, 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. But when it travels from vacuum or air to water or glass, what happens? The speed of light changes. That's why the path of the light deviates from its straight line path. This phenomenon is called refraction. To explain about this refraction here, we can draw a normal at the interface, that is say x and y. Here this PQ is incident ray and it makes some angle at the perpendicular line or the normal which is drawn on the interface. Here this angle is called angle of incidence I, and the refracted ray QR, it makes some angle with the normal, that is called angle of refraction R. This gives some information about the property of refraction, and we can find the refractive index of that medium by using this angle of incidence and the angle of refraction. That formula is that Snell's law. That is, this refractive index of medium can be indicated by a letter mu. Mu is equal to sin I by sin R. Here we are finding the refractive index of the second medium. That means where the light refracts, in which medium the light refracts, we are finding the refractive index of that medium. So here mu is equal to sin I by sin R. It can also be write as 1 mu 2. 1 mu 2 means we are finding the refractive index of second medium with respect to the first medium. Suppose medium 1 is say air or vacuum and medium 2 is water. The light traveling from air to water. So we are finding the refractive index of water with respect to air. So that is 1 mu 2 is equal to sin I by sin R. Here, suppose if angle of incidence is that 30 degrees and angle of refraction is say 45 degrees, the refractive index is that, the refractive index of that medium which is the light refracts, that is second medium. So 1 mu 2 is equal to sin 30 by sin 45. What is sin 30 value? That is 1 by 2, and sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. That is equal to root 2 by 2. That is equal to again 1 by root 2. It is the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium. It is about to find how to find the refractive index when the angle of incidence and angle of refraction is when given. Or in another version, we can find the refractive index of the medium where the refraction takes place by using speed of light. That is, suppose 1 mu 2 is equal. The refractive index can be found in terms of speed of light also. That is, suppose speed of light in vacuum and speed of light in another medium. That can be defined as mu is equal to speed of light in vacuum by speed of light in a given medium. Simplify as C by V. Mu is equal to C by V. C means speed of light in vacuum and V means speed of light in a given medium. Suppose water has a refractive index that is 4 by 3 and speed of light in vacuum is that 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So speed of light in water V is that, by using this formula, V is equal to C by mu. That is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 by 4 by 3 is equal to 9 by 4 into 10 power 8. That is equal to 2.25 into 10 power 8 meter per second. It is speed of light in water. Discuss elaborately about the properties of light in next videos. If you like this video, you can share it and give any suggestion in comment. Please subscribe my channel.